Good morning, Zuby. Good morning, Coonhound. What you doing? We're on the lines here. So this is day 2. So day 1 was traveled. Day 2, we are actually now looking at the whole AC unit. And Phil was just in here staring at my ceiling and hemming and hawing, which means I think he wants to take the ceiling down. All right, we're preparing for the activity. Getting all the supplies out, figuring out electrical, looking at all my electrical supplies and what we need to buy. Oh, there's the system. Okay, so we removed this second bar that was here, and here's our template, and we're starting to prepare for drilling the hole. There's all of our kids. Hi, kids. Oh, gosh. She's strong. Oh, your battery's dead.
Got 2 new battery. That's hot.
Oh, okay. There she is.
We got foam.
Oh, God. This is so scary. It's in the hole.
Wires. Good thing I didn't go all the way.
Oh my God, okay. Okay, so on the roof, hole is made. Phil has gone to get a jigsaw and a drill to do the corners and then cut out the top and then go drill on the corners for underneath so that we can do the shiplap inside with the jigsaw.
We can cover it. Now this baby, don't go in your good.
Okay, there's light coming through. I should have got a skylight. That would have been nice. It's not your business. It's not your business, ladies. Follow line apparently.